Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the video lesson. I'm Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher, and today I'm going to teach you part 2 of review worksheet 3. So, let's get started. Children, in this part, we will do the questions related to rounding off. So, first of all, let us learn or revise the steps for rounding off whole numbers. If the digit on the right of the rounding place is greater than or equal to 5, add 1 to the digit at the rounding place, else do not change the digit at the rounding place. Replace all digits to the right of the rounding place by zeros. So now this step will be more clear when we are going to solve the sums based on round off. So now let's come to question number 4 of review worksheet 3. Question number 4 is round off. So the A part of this question, this says round off 39 and 243 to nearest 10. So let us see how we are going to do this. First of all, let us round off 39. So the digit to the right of the tens place, because we have to round off to the nearest 10. So the rounding place is the tens place. So we will see the digit to the right of the tens place. So the digit to the right of the tens place in 39 is 9. And 9 is greater than 5. So 39 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 40. Because 9 is greater than 5, we will add 1 to the digit at the rounding place, which is 3. So 3 plus 1 will be 4, and replace all the digit to the right of the rounding place by 0, and we have 9 to the right of the 3. So we will replace 9 by 0. So the 39 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 40. Now let's move to the next number, which is 243. So now the digit to the right of the tens place in 243 is 3. And 3 is smaller than 5. So we are not going to change the digit at the rounding place, that is 4. Means we will not add 1 to 4 and it will remain 4, and we will replace rest of the digit on the right of the rounding place by 0. Therefore 243 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 240. Now let's come to the B part of this question. Round off 135 and 5270 to the nearest 100. So, first of all, take the number 135. The digit to the right of the 100 place, because we have to round off to the 100 place. Therefore, the digit to the right of the 100 place in 135 is 3. And children, 3 is less than 5. So we will not change the digit at the rounding place, which is 1. It will remain 1. Therefore, and we will replace all the digit to the right of the 1 by 0. And so 135 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 100. Now let's move to the next number, which is 5270. So the digit to the right of the 100 place, which is the rounding place, in 5270 is 7. And 7 is greater than 5. So what we are going to do? We will add 1 to the digit at the 100 place, which is 2. So 2 plus 1 will become 3, and then we will replace all the digit on the right hand side of the rounding place, that is 7 and 0, by 0. And so 5270 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 5300. Now let's come to the C part of question number 4. Round off 5278 and 36,499 to nearest thousand. So first let's come to 5278. The digit to the right of the thousand place where we have to do the round off in 5278 is 2. And children, 2 is less than 5, so we will not change the digit at the rounding place, that is at the thousand place, which is 5. It will remain 5, and we will replace all the digit to the right hand of the 5 by 0. So 5270 rounded off to the nearest thousand is 5000. Now let's move to the next number, which is 36,499. The digit to the right of the thousand place in 36,499 is 4, and 4 is less than 5. So we will not change the digit at the rounding place, which is the thousand place, and the digit is 6, so it will remain 6, and we will replace all the digit on the right hand side of the 6 by 0. So 36,499 rounded off to the nearest thousand is 36,000. Now let's come to question number 5. In this question, you have to round off the number which is 8 crore 45 lakhs 27,460 rounded off to A part, the nearest thousand is. So what will be this? Let us see. We have to round off to the nearest thousand place. So we will see the digit to the right of the thousand place in the number 8 crore 45 lakhs 27,460, which is 4, and 4 is less than 5. Therefore 8 crore 45 lakh 27,460 rounded off to the nearest thousand is 8 crore 45 lakhs 27,000. Now let's see the B part. We have to round off this number to the nearest 10,000. So the digit to the right of the 10,000 place in 8 crore 45 lakh 27,460 is 7, and 7 is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to the digit 2, which is at the 10,000 place, and it will become 3. So now 8 crore 45 lakh 27,460 rounded off to the nearest 10,000 is 8 crore 45 lakhs 30,000. Now let's come to the C part. Here you have to do the round off of this number to the nearest lakh. So now we will see what is the digit to the right of the lakh place. The digit to the right of the lakh place in 8 crore 45 lakhs 27,460 is 2, and 2 is less than 5. Therefore, we will not change the digit at the lakh place, which is 5, and we will replace all the digit on the right hand side of the lakh place by 0. So 8 crore 45 lakhs 27,460 rounded off to the nearest lakh is 8 crore 45 lakhs. Now let's move to the D part of this question. We have to round off the number to the nearest 10 lakh. So the digit to the right of the 10 lakh place in 8 crore 45 lakh 27,460 is 5. And 5 is equal to 5, so we will add 1 to the digit 4, which is at the 10 lakh place, and it will become 5, and therefore 8 crore 45 lakh 27,460 rounded off to the nearest 10 lakh is 8 crore 50 lakhs. Now children, let us move to the last part of this question. Here you have to round off this number to the nearest crore. So the digit to the right of the crore place in 8 crore 45 lakhs 27,460 is 4, and 4 is less than 5. So we are not going to change the digit at the rounding place, which is the crore place. So it will the digit at crore place is 8 and it will remain 8. So 8 crore 45 lakh 27,460 rounded off to the nearest crore is 8 crore. Now let's do the sum on the rounding off of decimal fractions. Children, a decimal fraction can be rounded off to the nearest 1, tenth, hundredth, thousandth and so on. Tenth place is the first place of decimal, hundredth place is the second place of decimal, thousandth place is the third place of decimal and so on. And what are the steps for rounding off decimal fraction? Well, if the digit on the right of the rounding place is greater than or equal to 5, add 1 to the digit at the rounding place. Else, do not change the digit at the rounding place. Drop all the digits to the right of the rounding place. So now let's come to question number 7 of review worksheet 3. 4.7952 rounded off to a part 1 decimal place is, well, let us see. The digit to the right of the first decimal place in 4.7952 is 9. As 9 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to 7, which is the digit at the first decimal place, which is the rounding place. So, rounding off 4.7952 to the 1 decimal place gives 4.8. Now let's come to the B part. 4.9752 rounded off to 2 decimal places is, let us see, the digit to the right of the second decimal place in 4.9752 is 5, and as 5 is equal to 5, so we will add 1 to 9 and then, so rounding off 4.7952 to 2 decimal places gives 4.80 or 4.8. Now let's come to the C part. 4.7952 rounded off to the third decimal place is, the digit to the right of the third decimal place in 4.7952 is 2. As 2 is less than 5, so do not change the digit at the third decimal place, which is 5, and therefore rounding off 4.7952 to the third decimal place gives 4.795. Children, I hope you have understood all the sums related to rounding off of the whole number and the decimal number thoroughly. And now let's come to the home assignment. In home assignment, you have one question, which is 3.6085 rounded off to the nearest 1, to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100 and to the nearest 1000. So do this question on your own in your notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting. Thank you, my dear student, for watching the video lesson till the end. Keep watching, keep learning.